Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmo here. And you have probably just watched my videos on Sky Easy FPV glider, which I set up with Bigaula. I made a video on how to set up, set up Bigaula, and I also made a video on how the Bigaula is working, the failsafe testing, where I almost hit that building, but we got lucky. I turned the radio on in time. Anyway, so now we are going to test this little camera. A lot of people are talking about it these days. This is the Firefly 1080p HD mini camera, which they're advertising that it has an AV out to fly FPV, but trust me, if you want to get AV out from this one, that is a true pain to do that. You have to do a lot of work to make that cable. Nonetheless, the camera comes with simple accessories and this sweet mount that can be mounted on FPV racing quadcopters. Those are micro quadcopters, and or anywhere on your plane. Now, this is a very tiny lightweight camera, so I have mounted it on this little cockpit of Sky Easy FPV glider, and we are going to fly it right now. Oh my god, you are so hot, so sweating, Arish. Let's see how well this camera shoots in 1080p HD. Recording with Firefly, and it's getting windy, but my glider should fly just perfect. FPV system on. Where's my goggles, please? Oh no, just put it there. Just gonna grab my goggles, turn them on, and enjoy some little FPV flight. Take off from the ground or not? Better. Too much wind, you can easily climb up. that was amazing. I mean, with this little 200 milliwatt system, I went all the way across the river without having a single glitch. Whew, nice, I'm loving it. Check it out, this dude, he's washing with the monocular. Irish stay in shadows. Let's see. Stay here and keep driving slowly up.